Project starts out assuming that resources work the same level every day, from task start to finish. But workloads can vary, like tasks that start slowly, ramp up to a full load, and then taper off at the end. In Project, you can apply work contours to resource assignments to reflect how work really gets done. Work contours apply to auto-scheduled tasks, and the flat contour is the default. The best place to work with work contours is the Task Usage view. So on the Task tab, click the bottom half of the Gantt chart button, and then choose Task Usage. And you can see tasks as well as assignments. We're going to work with the Inventory Office task. So I select the task, and up on the Task tab, on the right side, I click Scroll to Task. And that way we can see the work hours for each day. You can see here that this task spans 6 days right now. Well, with work contours, they apply to assignments. So actually, what we want to work with is the Office Manager assignment. So I select that cell, and then double-click. And that brings up the Assignment Information dialog box. And sure enough, the work contour is flat. To apply a different work contour, click the down arrow, and you can choose from one of these different contours. Well, in this case, I'm going to choose Bell, and that's one of the ones where it ramps up, goes to a full load in the middle, and then tapers off. But you can also choose things like backloaded, which means it starts slow and then just goes to a peak at the end and stops. So I click Bell, and then click Apply. And you'll notice a couple of things. First of all, the task takes longer. Now it's going over more than 6 days. But it has to do that because the first day only has a half an hour of work scheduled. You also notice there's an indicator in the indicator column that shows that a workload is applied. The thing about a work contour is you can actually get rid of overallocations because you might have one task overlap another task where when the one is ramping down, the other one is ramping up, and the resource can work on both at the same time. Well, now you can't create custom contours, but you actually can edit the hours in this grid. So for example, I could type in 1 hour on the first day and 2 hours on the second day. You can see that the indicator changes to add a pencil, and that shows that you've edited the hours in this grid. Although work contours lengthen assignments, you may be able to overlap tasks. That way, you can eliminate resource overallocations with only a small impact on the project finish date.